Alright, long story longer. Matt's stuck. Again. Oh, he just took off the bar. What a cheater.
We didn't want this sucker getting away from us and slapping that chainsaw down in the hole.
Yeah.
That's what I was afraid of.
It'd be better
this
for
log going just like this.
I'd rather see a new bar than having a...
Oh, and the Peavey hook. Grab onto that bar, Matt.
Yeah, but that's yeah.
Hot?
Jesus.
Or heavy? A little heavy, you couldn't hang on to it, huh? Couldn't lift it up?
These gloves are about as useless as tits on a bull, but...
Use that John Deere hat. That's useless too. There we go. Easy as pie. Peavey hook. Let me see the tag on that Peavey hook. Put it upside down. Don't put your fingers. Peavey Manufacturing. Eddington, Maine?
Made 100% in the U.S.
I'll say I'm going to be pissed if I set my chain there and all of a sudden it just flipped over and sent it.